Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix FaceTime activation error and iMessage activation error on iPhone, iPad. When we use FaceTime or iMessage first time, in during activating we might be seeing some errors on pop-up iPhone or iPad screen. FaceTime activation, iMessage activation, an error according during activation, try again. Wait for activation, activation unsuccessful. Guys, if you're facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. Firstly, make sure your iPhone or iPad up to date. To do that, click on settings. Next, click on general. Tap software update. If update available, then tap on download and install and update your iPhone or iPad. Solution 1. Click on setting. Scroll down and tap iMessage. Toggle on iMessage. Click on FaceTime. Toggle on FaceTime. If it doesn't work, then click on iMessage, toggle off and toggle on iMessage. Click on FaceTime, toggle off and toggle on FaceTime. Solution 2. Go to settings. In setting page, click on general. Click on language and region. Click on region. Scroll down, find your country and tap it. Tap on change to region. Solution 3. Go to settings. In setting page, click on general. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all setting. Again click on reset all setting to confirm. Solution 4. Click on setting, click general, scroll down to find transfer or reset iPhone and click on it. Click on reset network setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on reset network setting to confirm this process. Sometime when the Apple server little busy, you should wait 24 hours to activate iMessage and FaceTime. If the issue continue 24 hours,